Hello everyone, this is just a quick summary on how to add an extension to your student's Chrome web browser. First, click on the link that I provided for you labeled Chrome Web Store. Do a right click and add a new tab. That'll take you to this web store. I would narrow down my search by just punching in a word that's meaningful to you. That'll narrow down your search, and if you'd like to know about whatever you are looking at, just click on the link itself. It'll give you a summary of what the extension is all about. And then soon after, if you like it, just add to Chrome. It'll prompt you to add it to the search bar right up here. And as you can see, I have it right here. All I have to do is use it. For instance, I already have that extension, which is a reader. All I have to do is highlight what I want to read out loud.
Hello everyone, hope you and your loved ones are all in good health. I would like to share 2 items with you regarding professional development.
So again, all I have to do is go on that Chrome Web Store. It'll take you to the same place that I mentioned, to the web store, and then just punch in any keyword that'll narrow down your search. Okay? If you have any questions, please email me or call me. Thank you.